Hello students, I am Anita and welcome back in your GK class. Now the third chapter is Indian Women Writers. That is the chapter under the world of books. Here the first one is she's an Indian novelist and short story writer, and she's also awarded for Sahitya Akademi Award in her novel Fire on the Mountain, known as Anita Desai. So she is Anita Desai, Indian novelist and short story writer. The second one is here Anita Nair. She is an Indian writer whose novels are passionately woven on the thread of human nature and values with a female oriented component. The third one is this Kiran Desai, and she was born in India and educated in England and US. She is the writer's notable works include Inheritance of Loss and Hullabaloo in the Gawa Orchard. Inheritance of Loss won the coveted 2006 Man Booker Prize and National Book Critics Circle Award for Fiction. The fourth one is Shobha D. She is an Indian novelist, copywriter, freelance writer, and columnist. She is known as India's Jackie Collins. Fifth one is Sudha Kulkarni Murthy. This renowned writer's flair for writing is evident in her books like Dollar Stores, originally written in Kannada. Her notable works include Vice and Otherwise and Mahashweta. The sixth one is Jhumpa Lahiri. She is Jhumpa Lahiri, Indian American author, and her debut short story collection Interpreter of Maladies won the 2000 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction, and her first novel, The Namesake, was made into a popular film, and she has won several awards for her work. So this is Indian women writers. Now the next one is the Bard of Avon. It means a poet, and here William Shakespeare was an English poet and playwright. So now here the answer the following questions. When and where was Shakespeare born? So Shakespeare born in 1564 in Stratford on Avon, Warwickshire in England. And how many plays and sonnets did Shakespeare write? 37 plays and 154 sonnets. O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? To which play of Shakespeare does this line belong? This line belonged to Romeo and Juliet play. Then line to be or not to be comes from which play? So the play is Shakespeare's Hamlet. Name the last play written by Shakespeare. The Two Noble Kinsmen. So these are the Shakespeare plays, and this is the information about the Shakespeare. Now there are some plays of Shakespeare and the time when they were written. The first one is Romeo and Juliet, that was written in mid 1590s. Julius Caesar, written in 1599. Henry Ivy, that is written in 1597. Fourth Merchant of Venice, written in between 1596 and 1598. Macbeth, that written in between 1603 and 1606. King Lear, written in between 1604 and 1606, and Othello, that written in 1603. So these are the chapters of the world of books. Under the world of books, there are two chapters: Indian women writers and the Bard of Avon. Thank you.